everyone, this is Kasha, and today we're gonna draw this Beanie Boo Penguin, and his name is North. He is super cute. He's dressed for winter, and I think he's gonna be fun and easy to draw. In order to do that, you're gonna need a piece of paper and a pencil, and then something to color him with later. We're gonna begin with his head. His head is a circle. So go ahead and draw a circle. We use pencils. That way, if our circle or whatever is not perfect, we can come back, correct it, and then erase what we don't need. Okay, so here's my circle. Inside my circle, I'm gonna draw the black part. So I'm gonna come up on the side over here. I'm gonna come in a little bit, and then I'll go up, come back down, and this needs to fall in the middle, come back up again, so these things will match here. Come in and match this part. And mine doesn't exactly match, but that's why I'm gonna work on it and fix it until I get it right. Okay, now his little fuzzy things come out like this. It's not a straight line, so you want to add in some fuzzies. Okay, his eyes are really big. They're in the middle of his head, so you're gonna draw two big circles. One and two. Inside the circles, inside the eyes, we have the black circles. So you're gonna draw a second circle inside your circles. And it's also pretty big. And we're also gonna add some light speckles. So inside the circle, we're gonna do one small circle and then another one really big on the side. And then we'll come in with our eraser and erase these lines inside the big circles. To draw his beak, we're going to do a shape that's like a diamond. So you'll come up and down and do it like this. And he's got a line in the middle here. It's his lip. Okay, once we have his face, we are going to add some squiggly lines here for the fuzziness. And add as much as a little as you'd like. And we're gonna do his earmuffs. So we will do the sides first. They're on his ears, and they will be like these curved lines, almost like C's coming out from the side of his head, one on each side, and you want to go like this to match it on the other side for the height. So here's his earmuffs. I'm gonna make them a little bigger. And then he's got this headband coming from his earmuffs. So you'll come here and you'll draw in the headband. So you just follow the curve of his head. And then add some fur here on his head. Okay, now let's move on to the scarf. The scarf will come on the side of his head right here and right here, so it's like his neck. And you will do a curved line. It is folded, so you'll do this line like this. And here again. And then these parts, we will come up here and go down and match it from the side. And the little piece that's behind will be here, like this. To draw his body, we will do another, almost a circle. So come on the side of your scarf, and here you just need to imagine that it's there. And then do like a circle. we're gonna add the white part in the middle of his belly. And all of this is really fuzzy, so we're gonna add some fuzziness to the sides. And we will add his wings. So next to his scarf on the side of his body, go out and come back in with a line like this. See how it's two colors? And do it again here, except for we can't really see it because it's hiding. So we'll imagine it here and it comes out right here. And finally we're gonna do his legs, his feet. So at the bottom of his body we'll come out and do 1, 2, 3 squiggly lines, and 1, 2, 3 squiggly lines. Mine came out really chubby, so I might skinny him out a little bit. Okay, so my sketch is done. I'm gonna go ahead and color him. I'm gonna use a Sharpie to outline my penguin, and then I'm gonna use colored pencils to color him in. You go ahead and do the same thing, or use crayons, use markers for the whole thing, or you can even use paint. Okay, so there you have it. My North is done. I think he's super cute, but I'm gonna do one more thing to him. I just got this marker. It's called Wing of Stella brush, and it's a clear glitter marker. I just activated it, and I'm gonna add some glitter right here to his eyes. Oh, this is so cute. And also to all of these parts that are shiny, like his feet. If you like my video, make sure it gives me thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon.